May God continue to shower all His blessings. Good health. Study well and be good to your parents. Happy 7th birthday to you. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come and more blessings. Thanks for being a good friend to me. Happy birthday again.
Alright, thank you ate. Ito sa kabilang side. And si Rain.
Happy birthday, Abby. May you have better life and study well. Happy birthday again.
Alright, hello? Alright, thank you. Punta sa...
Happy birthday, Abby. I wish all the best. You study well and be nice friend to everyone else. Happy birthday, Abby.
Alright, thank you. Hello? Alright, next.
Ang wish ko sana maging mabait ka, Abby, at mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Happy birthday, Abby.
Alright, thank you, Abby Blow. Alright, next. Ito sa kabilang side ate. Next, si Chloe. Very good. So, alright.
Happy birthday, Arabella. Sana lumaki kang may mabuting asal. Huwag kang mabagbago habang lumaki ka. Sana huwag kang makulit palagi sa school. Happy birthday ulit, Ama.
Alright, next. Ito ko sa kabilang. And our last, si ate. Go.
Happy birthday, Abby. I wish na nag-grow ka, mabait ka, masamarin, at maganda.
Ayun, ang galing. Palakpak muna dyan. Alright, so lahat ng kids, lahat ng 7 candles natin. And after naman natin ng 7 candles, let's proceed naman with our 7 treasures. So for our 7 treasures, puro tita to. Tita. So yung mga titas natin, be prepared. Oh, open. Like they said, sige, go. Open it.
Congratulations for a wonderful birthday celebration. My wish for you is you to have love and kind heart. And what you are now and what you have, it's simply because of your parents. Be thankful with that. And what you will become is your gift from your parents. So study well and God bless.
Thank you, Tita. So, Tita, wait lang. Picture po kayo. With Arabella.
You're so pretty today. I would like to congratulate first your mama, baby, and your papa Ed for throwing you a very nice party. And you should value the sacrifices of your parents. My treasure for you, since you're a princess, you should always be fresh and smell good, right? So, you always have to take a bath. So, after taking a bath, you have to wipe yourself with a towel. So, it's a towel and, you know, these are powders and lotions. Okay, thank you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Abby! Happy birthday! First of all, thank you kay Paring Ed and Maring Baby for this wonderful birthday party for Abby. Excited siyang magbukas. I wish you all the best in life and hello. May you continue to be a sweet angel and a joy to your mom and dad. At sana lumaki ka ring God-fearing. My treasure for you is a cuddly bear. Here. Since you're a sweet little girl, pag nagta-travel kayo ni Daddy, pwede mo yang yakapin while travel. Saka, pag namimiss mo si Mommy, we cannot just think of Tita Bing or Shindy with that bear, but also with your mom. Thank you. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday, Shindy.
Happy birthday, Abby.
Buti po. At tapos, good luck anak sa iyong pag-aaral. Sana lumaki kang mabait pa rin. Happy birthday, anak.
Happy birthday, Abby.
Abby, happy birthday. Wala na akong masabi, yun na lang. Nasabi na nila lahat, happy birthday na lang.
First of all, thank you sa Agapito family. Abby, happy 7th birthday. Like most parents, ang wish natin para sa ating mga anak, syempre, lagi the best of health. Stay sweet, pretty, and good girl always. Lagi mong ipagpe-pray, Abby, si mami mo na nasa abroad. Be good girl always. I chose yung gift ko sa iyo kasi alam ko, most kids of her age still enjoy playing. So, yan ang napili kong gift sa iyo, Abby, kasi malaki na yung mga kapatid mo eh. Kaya yan na lang ang paglaruan mo. Happy birthday, Willie. Thank you.
7 treasures. Mga tita, smile. Very good. Ganda nga yun, tikap lang ha. Alright. Pink. Okay, thank you very much for 7
Dito sa balloon ko, yung question, ang question na dito is, Arabella is good in blank. Para sa akin, magaling yung kapatid ko sa panglalambing. Kasi kapag nilalambing niya ako, parang kapag isang lambing lang, pinagbibigyan ko yung gusto niya. Pero sa totoo lang, si Abby, magaling din siya pagdating sa studies niya.
Thank you, ate. Picture muna, ate. Yan. Don't forget the picture, okay? And
description about Arabella. Si Arabella, ano yan? Mabait nga ba? Mabait, malambing, tapos matalinong bata. Pero makulit. Yun siya.
Tita, picture mo na. Thanks.
Question dito, what are your best moments with Arabella? So, wala akong mapik na isa kasi every time I'm with Arabella, laging masaya kasi napakakulit niya. Yung pagkakulit niya, yun yung matutuwa ka kahit pagod ka na. Tsaka siya yung isa sa pinakamalamig na mga pinsan ko. So, happy birthday, Abby! So, study hard and stay sweet and pretty.
Alright, thank you, Ate Jenny, Ate Christine. Next, si Ate Kia Kuwaso.
Ang nakalagay dito, what is our Arabella's favorite pastime? Para sa akin, mag-computer, mangulit, tsaka mag-ipon ng mga things na mga gusto niya. Arabella, happy birthday. Love you, pinsan.